Hi guys, so this is our first showcase of this eBox SuperCell. As you can see, Tanaka is currently running the hydrogen generator inside this eBox SuperCell
Yeah, by remote control.
by the wireless
So
remote
small.
control. Okay.
Okay, this is to similar our 12-volt battery. Means that from our battery connect to here, then we activate the hydrogen,
Yes.
right? Yeah. So now, if we off, then no
Yeah.
more, right?
Okay.
So now
Then
we
switch
on,
on.
right? Left, no more.
Okay, no more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, on,
And then on.
immediate lah.
Ah.
Immediate. Okay. Yeah. So you can run your car with eBox SuperCell, which the battery come together with lithium titanate battery plus hydrogen generator.
Okay.
First in the world.
So we call this eBox inside, yeah, Tanaka?
Yep.
Because
inside.
the eBox is inside.
This is the controller.
Yeah. Okay, so this is where you top up your water. So you just unscrew this top cap. This is where the hydrogen output is. I think this is very sleek. I never seen any battery like this before, Tanaka. Okay.
Of course, this is worthless. Definitely you didn't see. Okay, this is our version 3 eBox. So the same thing we show you here. Okay, the power is just a limitation from our car. So it's just for sample. So,
Okay, so
the
this
connector,
is from your car battery.
yeah, this is a gold plated connector.
Okay,
so we
so
just connect from here.
Connect there. So now we're done.
Okay, so don't short. So to activate, same as just now.
Yeah, same as just now.
By using the remote control, it's very small. This is to simulate the battery.
Okay.
So we connect to any control from your car, key or whatever, to simulate. Right?
Okay.
Yep.
So now we are producing the hydrogen.
Yep. So I release.
You release. Okay, release.
Finish.
And the hydrogen is gone.
On again.
On again. Okay, now we're producing hydrogen wirelessly controlling.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the heatsink.
Yeah. Heatsink. So means that you, if you want to stack it out, few units, then you purchase the whole thing. You can remove this out and then stacking this at the side.
So you mean you have one eBox mobile and then two eBox mobile?
Yeah, stacking.
Okay, so now we are doing a side-by-side comparison between the first version of eBox Mobile and this is our latest version 3 of eBox Mobile. So Tanaka, care to explain how after more than a decade, okay, from this size now into this size and more powerful, yeah, Tanaka?
Yeah.
Okay.
40% extra power.
Okay.
And we going to increase the technology for the next version.
Okay.
Actually, which we already have in hand, the version 4, but not for today.
Okay.
Still we need to do some research on it. Become more powerful. I mean, day by day, we will increase our technology.
Okay.
Yes. And then with a super cheap price,
okay,
which we hope that everybody can fly. Oh no, sorry, it's not fly, but everybody can have one. Okay, this is what I'm going to do.
So this one is so small now, Tanaka.
Yep.
This one you can either install at the back of your car like this one.
You just put it, side of your boot, right?
Mm.
Last time you have to put these big things, you know, very heavy some
Yeah.
more, you see. Now it's very compact.
Okay.
Very compact, reliable, you know.
Ah.
So I don't think people will complain,
Okay.
right? So if you feel that not enough, then you buy another stack. You
Ah.
put at this side, or maybe you combine
Oh,
here,
so you have like
right? Only one cooling,
okay.
side by side.
Side by side. Okay.
Then you join everything together,
Ah.
and then this eBox version 3.1, and then number 2, when you stack on your pedal, then start number 2,
Number
you know,
two, okay.
to make it more powerful,
Ah.
like turbo
Mm.
or double turbo, twin turbo, you know,
Okay.
quad turbo, as you want.
Okay. So
I think the world must be crazy.
Tanaka, I think putting it on the table doesn't do justice. Why not we take this eBox now?
Yeah, you
We
can put in my
it-
car.
yes.
Yeah, then I can show you.
Then we
you
can
know.
show.
Yeah.
Also, we have the existing one here in the Estima. Maybe we can show them
Yep.
the before and after.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's do that.
go.
Okay, so now we're coming to the car.
Yeah, this is the first version. It looks so bulky,
Okay.
right?
So a lot of people complained last time,
Yeah.
Tanaka,
Yeah.
because we are taking a lot of the
Yeah,
real
because you
estate.
try to imagine the real seat already come to here, right?
Yes.
So I mean, this one have to move until this border,
Mm.
right? And then so narrow, and then the space is so small.
Ah.
So your luggage, baggage, everything so limited,
Okay.
right?
So-
if with the third version, you can imagine, I just leave it there, another corner.
So that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
So this
even
small.
yeah, even you can put like that. If the space is not enough,
Ah.
you want to move your car back. Yeah,
Pun boleh.
Yep.
But
So
if you put that also, you nampak, because you nampak that space kan.
Yes.
So dia
Right.
tak kacau.
Yeah, tak kacau. So very slim, very small, reliable, you know, and then more powerful for you to.
So
air.
masuk air simple lah, buka saja.
Ah,
Okay, so they open like this. Plop,
Yep.
plop, 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 plop. Look, this is a very solid cover. Tanaka,
yeah,
this is one
it's a solid.
bloody solid. Okay, machine one piece
Yeah, one piece.
Tanaka,
Yes,
CNC.
one piece.
Alright.
And
So-
then with logo,
With the logo. Okay.
we laser the logo on top.
Okay. And then just top up.
Yep.
That's it.
Yeah, finish.
Finish. Then start balik. As simple as that. I think everyone will go crazy.
Yeah, we put the double seal on this.
Ah.
Yeah, to make sure that nothing will leak.
Okay. So that's it. And then this one, imagine this lah. Okay. So go back to the
Yeah.
car. Tanaka, I just noticed something. Why do you need this spacer here?
Yeah, of course. Many people also ask me the
Mm.
same question: why you want to use double this silicone seal, and then also with this slip, right? And then more cost, right?
Exactly.
On yourself.
Ah.
Even you selling at a very cheap price,
Ah.
but you lost a lot of money, right? Actually, no. This is the design, because we use the same technology and the same design in our SuperCell. So that's why I don't want people to, twist too long here. You know, so I purposely use this. So means that of course people will ask. Then I mean, you can throw away this and then put this straight away inside, right? But no, again, why? Because I promised before for the people who bought this, and then after that they want to upgrade to the SuperCell, they just replace.
I
to return this,
see.
and
Yeah,
then we
yes.
can immediate to put it
So
inside.
put it inside the
Right?
SuperCell.
So for you have no burden at all. You can test, you qualify, and then you want to go for SuperCell, you just return, then to pay the extra,
Okay.
right? For us to redo
Mm.
this eBox version 3
Okay.
mobile
Ah.
to the SuperCell. Right? So
Okay.
everybody is happy.
Oh,
You don't
okay.
need to waste your money unless you want to keep it and then you buy for the another
You
SuperCell.
buy a separate one lah.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, this is
So
okay.
making it more flexible for people to upgrade to the SuperCell.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, all our idea is more to the end user. It means that friendly user. I mean, friendly user lah.
Okay.
Right? More friendly to the end user
Okay.
project, something like that. either here or you put over here. Yeah, we care about the end user lah. So we hope also to get more support, right? Please subscribe our channel, then automatically become our member of our eBox.
Okay.
Right. So you can enjoy more profit.
More benefit.
Yep.
Okay, now we are showcasing you what's inside this R&D facility.